Most people don't have a lead problem, they have a system problem. They either don't know who to reach out to, spend hours manually scraping data, or send generic cold emails that get ignored. And then they say outbound doesn't work. What's going on, everyone? My name is Kyle. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io plus AI to build a highly targeted lead list and write personalized outreach at scale without hiring a sales team. By the end of this video, you will know how to find decision makers in your niche, export and clean a qualified lead list, use AI to generate personalized first lines, create scalable but human-sounding outreach, and turn this into a repeatable system. Let's build your outbound engine. Why this matters right now. Organic reach is unpredictable. Ads are getting more expensive, but direct outreach still one of the fastest ways to book a call, land clients, validate offers, and generate revenue. The difference between spam and smart outreach is targeting the personalization. That's where Apollo and AI come in. What Apollo.io actually does. Apollo is a B2B database and outreach platform. It lets you search millions of professionals, filter by job title, industry, company size, get verified email addresses, access LinkedIn data, export contact lists, and even send email sequences. But here's the key. Most people use Apollo like a basic list scraper, but we're going to use it like a precision targeting tool. Define your ideal prospect first. Before opening Apollo, define who exactly do you want? What problem do they have? Why would they respond to you? For example, let's say you run a marketing agency focused on SaaS startups. Your ICP might be job title, founder, head of growth, CMO. Industry, SaaS. Company size, 5 to 50 employees. Revenue range, pre-seed to Series A. Location, US, UK, and Canada. This matters because better filters equals better response rates. Outbound success starts with clarity. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one using the link in the description below. Now, open Apollo and in the left column, go to People. You will then see filters. We have job title, company, industry, technology used, location, funding stage, and many more other filters. You can even filter by recently funded companies, hiring activity, or specific software tools. This is powerful. For example, if you sell a Shopify optimization service, you can filter for companies using Shopify. If you offer automation services, filter for companies using outdated systems. Now refine. Don't pull 10,000 leads. Pull 200 to 500 highly qualified prospects. Quality beats volume. Once filtered, add them to a list. Name it clearly. For example, SaaS founders, Series A, US. Organization now saves headaches later. Next, it's important to export your list. Include first and last name, company name, job title, website, LinkedIn URL, and email. Now, before blasting emails, clean it. You can remove duplicates, remove generic emails, and spot check accuracy. Even better, use AI to enrich context. Take 20 sample leads and paste their LinkedIn bio into ChatGPT and ask it this. Summarize what this person likely cares about based on their role and company. This gives you angle insight. You're no longer guessing. Now, here's where most people fail. They either fully automate and sound robotic or manually personalize and burn out. The solution is hybrid personalization. Instead of writing 300 unique emails manually, you create a structured template. Here's an example-based structure. Inside ChatGPT, add the following. Your subject, quick idea for, and then the company. Then your email can say, hi, first name. Notice that company is context hook. We've helped similar industry companies and the specific outcome. Would it make sense to share a quick idea followed by your name? Now we use AI to fill in the context hook intelligently. Take your lead idea. For each lead, collect company description, recent LinkedIn activity, funding news, and website headline. Now prompt AI like this. Using this company description, write a short, personalized opening line that feels natural and specific, not generic. Paste the company name, website description, and founder role. AI will generate, loved how you're positioning company around X, especially this focus on Y. Or, saw that you're recently raising funds. Congrats on that milestone. Now here's the trick. You don't need 100% deep personalization. Even one strong specific line dramatically increases reply rates. Now here's how you scale. Option 1. Manually paste company descriptions into AI in batches. Option 2. Use Google Sheets plus AI extension. Option 3. Use automation tools to connect Apollo exports with AI prompts. For example, export Apollo list, upload to Google Sheets. Use AI column formula, generate first-line personalization, and merge into your outreach tool. Now, instead of generic, hope you're doing well, you get, notice your team is expanding into the EU market. Exciting growth phase. That feels human because it is structured personalization. Now let's craft the actual outreach message. Prompt AI. Write a concise cold email for a service type targeting job title at company type. Keep it under 120 words. Make it conversational, not salesy. AI will generate a draft. Now refine it. Shorten sentences. Add specificity. Your goal, 3 to 5 sentences. Clear value and low pressure CTA. Here's an example structure. Personalized opener. Clear problem, social proof. And simple question CTA. No long paragraphs, no hype, no buzzwords. Most replies don't happen on email 1. Create a 3 to 4 email sequence and use AI for variation. This is what you can tell AI. Write a short follow-up email referencing my previous message. Keep it polite and concise. Here's a sequence idea. Email 1, introduction plus value. Email 2, gentle bump. Email 3, add case study. Email 4, breakup email. AI can generate variations quickly, but again, make sure you edit for tone. Apollo allows email sequencing, or you can export to Instantly, Smart Lead, HubSpot, or your CRM. But here's the strategic insight. Keep sending volume reasonable, 50 to 100 emails per day per domain. Warm up your domain, protect deliverability. AI doesn't fix spammy sending behavior. Once responses start coming in, copy positive replies into AI and give it this prompt. Analyze these replies and identify patterns in objections and interests. Now you get insights like they want pricing upfront, they ask for case studies, they question differentiation. Use this to refine future emails. Outbound becomes iterative. Let's summarize the full system. Define ICP. Build filtered lists into Apollo. Export leads. Generate personalized first lines with AI. Create concise email template. Build follow-up sequences. Send in batches. Analyze replies. Improve messaging and repeat weekly. That's a scalable outbound machine. Here are some advanced tips. Use AI to segment leads. Not all leads are equal. Paste your list sample into AI. Ask, based on this data, how should I segment these prospects? You might discover enterprise versus startup, technical versus non-technical founders, recently funded versus bootstrapped. Now you can customize messaging per segment. More relevance, higher reply rates. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Over-automating personalization, sending long essays, pitching too early, not warming domains, and ignoring analytics. Outbound is math plus messaging. AI improves messaging, and Apollo improves targeting. Together, they increase probability. This workflow is powerful for agencies, freelancers, SaaS founders, consultants, B2B service providers. One client from the system can pay for Apollo, AI tools, email software, and more. It's ROI-focused automation. Most people think AI replaces sales. It doesn't. It enhances precision. Apollo gives you access to decision makers. AI gives you intelligent personalization. When you combine them, you move from spray and pray to target and convert. If you want to try Apollo, you'll find a link down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.